Depends on the size of the onion.
Şeye de bağlı. Kendi isteklerine de bağlı. It's up to you to say.
If you would live in Turkey, yours will be. Yarım filling için olan bu. O da içi için.
Yani daha yapmadık.
Şu an
Black pepper.
Black pepper in the meat. In the filling, yeah.
This is
Paprika, same thing, yeah. Same spice.
same. Yeah.
A bit of salt into the meat filling. So aromatic. Sorry? She said it is spicy. So if you want to
Evet her yerinde olsun diye
She
yerken
wants, yeah, she
yerken her
wants the
yer
filling to
boşluk
reach
gelmesin.
each corner. So when you're eating it, there's no empty corners there. You want the
Bu
filling.
harcı biz başka yemeklerde de kullanıyoruz. Bayağı çok
Filling to
boşluk
reach
gelmesin.
each corner. So when you're eating it, there's no empty corners there. You want the
Bu
filling.
harcı
Add
biz
it
başka
to an eggplant dish. So she's rolling it.
tepsi alabilir miyim ben?
Neyi?
Tepsi.
Put on the wide side, roll it up. Kind of looks like a cigarette or a cigar. They used to call it cigars, Boreks. And this is why it's called split Borek. With egg. Not the egg white though, only the yolk. Okay. Then filling it in again. Is there a reason or just
Bu şeyde karnıyarının üzerine de koyuyoruz ya biz bunu.